Hey YouTube, today we're going to show you how to raise or lower some BC Racing Coil Overs on a BMW. They fit multiple cars, but we're going to show you how to do it on a BMW. First of all, obviously take off the tire and let's show you more.
So these are the front ones. The ones in the rear are a bit different, so we're going to do this ones first. What we're trying to do right now is to raise the vehicle because it's too low. So what you're going to do here is first you're going to get the wrench, span wrench, which comes with the coil, so you should have that. And then you're going to turn the bottom one, this one first, you're going to turn it counterclockwise. So just like this. Obviously, you have to use the tool. I already have it loose, but you're going to turn it counterclockwise to the point where it's loose, right? And then what you're going to do is you're going to do the same turn for this one on the top. Not the main one, not the top big one, but the smaller one here. So you're going to turn this one. What you want to do first is you're going to measure the distance probably between this lip right here and the top of here of this section, and then that's the measurement that you're gonna have at the end. So if you want to go up, you're gonna raise it an inch, then you measure that. You should add an inch to that. If you're gonna lower it an inch, then you're gonna subtract an inch from that distance. But that's your main goal, to have that. And then you have to do both, all four sides the same. You have to raise, or depending how you wanna do it, but just like this. And let me show you guys. I'm gonna loosen up this one, and then I'm gonna show you guys once it's loose. I'm gonna show you guys how it turns and how it gives you more. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm gonna turn and the whole system turns, but it's pushing it down. The bottom one is just loose, like I mentioned before, and now I'm just turning the top one, not the big one in the top, but the small one in the top. And as I'm turning counterclockwise, it's pushing the whole car down, so it's adding that distance where I told you to take the measurement. So let me take the measurement and tell you exactly how much is it right now. So you take the tape measurement, and I'm gonna measure it from there, and you'll probably measure it to here. You can get a good distance from there. So see, I have basically an inch right now. So I'm just using that measurement to know how much I'm going up and how much I'm going down. I'm not sure if that will be an inch lift or 2-inch lift. I'm just using that measurement to know how much I'm going up and how much I'm going down. So just continue until you have it to where you want it to be. Guys, before we move to the rear, let me show, don't forget to tighten this up. Just turn all the way back, clockwise, the bottom one, all the way, and then just tighten it up. If you're having trouble with this, just use WD-40, and this should make it easy for you guys. But, you know, it all depends. Each car is different, so it may be easy for somebody, and maybe hard for another one. Just add force. But yeah, just don't forget to tighten this up. You can see how we raised it a whole inch. So okay guys, so this is the rear ones, and as you can see here, it's a whole different system. So what we're gonna do is we want to raise the vehicle, right? So we're raising the vehicle. If you're lowering the vehicle, you're gonna do everything backwards, or you're gonna turn the other way, should I say. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen up the first one, the top one up here, the small one. You're gonna loosen that up with a spanner wrench, and then you're gonna use the bigger spanner wrench, because you have two, comes with your coils. And then you're gonna turn this clockwise. So you're gonna make it go down, because we're racing the car. We want to raise the vehicle. So we're gonna loosen this up and then turn this one clockwise. So it can go down, and you can measure. I guess you can measure anywhere you want. And whatever you're gonna do, if you're gonna raise or you're gonna lower, then you just add whatever you're going to raise or lower to that dimension, and then that'll be it. So let me just use both of my hands and tell you if I find any other issues. Hey guys, so we moved it already to where we desired, and just make sure once you're done to tighten up the small one again, bring it all the way down, and just use your spanner wrench to tighten that up. And then for the bottom one, when we were moving it, when we were trying to raise the vehicle, it was kind of hard with the spanner wrench. So we used a flathead just like this, and we tapped it with a hammer right on this end. And just tapping it, it will just turn, you know, slowly turns. That's all you need. And we're using that. Some WD-40 also helped. And that's about it. You put your tires back on, and that's how you adjust this stuff. If you have any questions, just let us know. And please subscribe. It helps a lot. And also give us a like. And you can share this video as well. Thanks for watching. Take care.